Hi, today I'm making what I call sugar lip glasses. They're actually sugar coated glasses, and you start with either red or pink sugar sprinkles that you can find in the grocery store, a tablespoon of honey, and then this very simple way of sort of coating the champagne flutes. You're going to make sure they're well coated and then let the excess honey drain off of the glass, and then you're going to dip it into the red sugar or pink sugar, depending on what it is what color you've selected. And this is what the first go around should look like. You want it to kind of have a second to dry and then try it again. You can have as much or as little on that rim as you like. And when it's done, that's what it looks like. I like to dry them upside down because the honey will make the sugar run a little bit. And dry them once they're dried in the sun. You can have those ready to go with your favorite beverage.